somebody ran out on him. Yeah. Which one? Okay. Okay, no, it don't matter. How you gonna do it? Hey, if you want to get is that one? Let me see if the brakes on. You can pull it up front. Get that one up front now if you want. And hey, if there's because my thing is, if they're wheel liftable like that, then it's easy to grab them. You get out of here with it. We're gonna head to the back probably. Anyway, I'll roll with him. That guy had a tag. He come out with his documents, man. He's got he already paid his tag. Anyway, Jerry hooked that guy's car, and we figured out that the guy's actually got a good tag. He came out and showed his documents to Jerry. Just because the sticker's not updated don't mean that he hadn't paid it. And this guy has paid. He's paid his tag. His tag's legit. So we had to drop it. And that's a catch-22. If you can verify that they got a good tag, you can't tow it off the property. I mean, that's just like stealing. If you know somebody's got a tag and you tow a car off the property for having an expired tag that you know's good, you can't tow it. So we're rolling to the next, but Robbie's rolling out with that Honda he got. Anyway, Stone Mountain right now, this area, this is DeKalb County. Stone Mountain area's been pretty rough. They had a shooting earlier today. I think it was Ashley Lane or something. Somebody was taking his kids to school, and he got shot 4 times. Well, they shot 20 rounds off or something. Which one?
The Chevy Malibu. It said that.
Oh, if you already talked to them, then they marked a few of them off.
Yeah. So basically, the issue was I was parked right there. They said I guess I couldn't park right there. I moved it up closer to the.
Oh, it was just for barking.
Then also they said my expiration date wasn't on my tag. This is my first time buying a car, so I didn't know. I put it on there. It's on there.
It's on there now. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, listen. If it's updated, we're not going to touch it.
Make sure you check it. Yeah. Chevy Malibu right there.
Yeah, I believe you. If you updated it, you ain't got to worry about nothing.
Okay. I don't know if I was supposed to do this or not, but I peeled the tag off the front. Was I not supposed to do that?
What do you mean?
You know how you put a sticker
on?
You
can pull the sticker off. It don't matter. If you fixed it, man, then don't worry about it. Okay. We can't tell them if you fixed them.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate
Have a good one, sir. Thank you, man.
This is one of them.
Okay. You want to back up and grab it?
I know y'all see my tag.
Which one?
Not up to date on here, but I'm from Louisiana.
It's a 2020 tag.
Yeah, I'm from Louisiana, and I have my paperwork for all of that.
Okay, well.
So,
listen. Hey, I'll tell you easy way to do it is talk to your manager. Let them know what's going on.
I told them the other day when you put the sticker on my thing.
Well, you got to talk to we didn't put it on it. You got to talk to your manager because they're the ones that tell us what to tow.
Okay.
We don't just pull in to tow.
Okay.
We have to tow what they tell us to tow.
Guess I got to reinforce.
Yeah, you got to talk to them. You know who Lexus this is? Any idea who that is?
It was a guy.
It's wrecked or something.
Yeah.
Well, that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to clear these cars up.
Yeah,
the ones that are bad. I mean, yours is a brand new car. Yeah, just talk to your manager because that's all you. That's what you got to do to keep us.
Talk to your manager.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
Okay.
So talk to the property manager here.
Talk to the property manager.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. People coming out of the woodwork. I think we've had 3 or 4 people come out, and Robbie and Jerry both loaded up and rolled out, which is good. Anyway, I'm gonna go over here and grab this blue Dodge truck, and we'll roll out with it. There's just a lot of people coming out on these impounds, And last thing we want to do is get caught up on releases or have to drop them. It's not very easy, especially in rougher areas. Yeah, you know, I talked to him. I told him to call up there and talk. Does he stay calm? Yes. I told him to come talk to you. Okay. Okay. She just said y'all can leave that one part. Okay, you got it. We'll be back. Hey, thank you. Have a good one. The guy from Louisiana went to the office just like he should have in the beginning, and he had been marked off the list. But he talked to the manager up there and she marked it off. Told us don't worry about towing his. He just moved here. But it's common for out-of-staters, people that are out of state, to have their tags, and sometimes their tags will go bad. We got cars off the property, that's what matters. We're keeping the managers happy, and they get to clear a little bit of parking. And that's the whole object of this, is to get the junk cars off and make the property up to code, and also clear parking for the residents that have running vehicles. Hey, we're at the lot, and I just ran into Troy.
Yeah, hey man, yeah. It's Troy, the mailman, right hand twist.
He's the mailman. Let me get out real quick. Nice to meet you, Troy.
Yeah, you too, man.
Well, he's been working this route over here for 18 years, and he's been seeing me. Here he is. Yeah. He's been seeing me.
Yeah, I thought you guys done moved. I thought McCall.
Anyway, shout out to Troy, y'all.
Hey, yeah, y'all. Take it easy, man. Check him out.
Yeah,
Tow Trucker, man.
Yeah, I'll fix y'all.
All right, Johnny.